Hi, if you love to play game or if you want to make your own app or own game by using some JavaScript code, so in this video we will make one spinning wheel game by using JavaScript code. Here we already made one live demo for you, so we will check that live demo. So here you can see we make one spinning game. So when I click on this spin now, at that time this spinner will display and spinning this wheel, and when I click on this stop now, at that time one name will be displayed. So it's a devious turn. So this is how this game will work. Now how to configure or how to write a code for making this app. So here you can see you need to follow our blog, and also I will share this blog link in my video description. So you will get this blog link, my video description, and follow these steps. So here you can see in step 1 we simply create one file like spinning-wheel.html, right? We already make that, so I already make this file here. So spinning-wheel.html, so I simply open that file, right? So here you can see inside this file we need to write this code, right? So here you can see I already copy paste this code. So in this code you must have to require some library. So here you can see we pass our some jquery.min.js and sweetalert. So here you can see this is our sweetalert, and this is a supportive library like jquery.min.js, because we will use some jquery function inside our this code. So that's why we include this jquery.min.js, and this is sweetalert.min.js. And here you can see we include our bootstrap.min.css and bootstrap.min.js, because now here you can see we will use bootstrap theme, and here you can see we are use bootstrap button. So that's why we are using bootstrap.min.css. For designing purpose we are using this bootstrap.min CSS and bootstrap.min.js, right? So this is a required library which is used for designing and some JavaScript code, right? Now here you can see we create one canvas with id is equal to canvas, and we take one div with id wheel, right? So you must have to create one canvas. So this is your canvas. Here you can see when you click on inspect, our wheel will be displayed inside this id is equal to wheel, and here you can see we created one canvas with id is equal to canvas. So you must have to declare this division with id is equal to wheel and create one canvas inside this division with id canvas, and you can plus minus the width and height as per your requirement, right? Now here you can see we create two buttons like spin now and stop now. That button also we have created here, so you can see. And here you can see we pass or we declare two functions like spin and stops. Also later on we will discuss on this. Okay, now configure some JavaScript code. So here you can see we configure our JavaScript code. You simply copy paste this code, right? So you must have to copy paste this code. I also explained this code. So inside this script tag you can see we declare some function and everything. So here you can see I copy paste that code from my blog. So here you can see the most important, first when I refresh my page, at that time this canvas will created. So here you can see my canvas will be created. So how to create this canvas or how to create this spinner? So here you can see we make one function like create spinner. So inside this function you must have to pass your color name and your label data. So here you can see we pass some color which you have to see. Here you can see in a devious, and also you need to pass your label data. You must have to pass this label data, right? So you must have to your color data and label data. This is a code which is create your spinner, right? So you must have to copy paste this code. By using this code you can create your spinner, right? So now you can see we call this function while my page is load. So you must have to use this function while refresh your page. So you must have to pass, or you must have to call your page while page is your refresh, right? Now here you can see we declare one function like spin, right? So when you click on this spin now button, at that time this spin function will call, right? So here you can see our spin function will created, and inside this function we will write our all the spinning related logic and everything. So you must have to copy paste this code, and here you can see we will call one function like request animation frame and everything. So you must have to copy paste this code, and here you can see when you click on this stop now, at that time we also call one function like stops, right? So that function also we have a declare here. So here you can see inside this function we simply pass is stop is equal to true. It means that variable also we have declared above. So here you can see stop is equal to false, and that converted into true. So your wheel will be stop by using this attribute is stop is equal to true, and these two function will use inside our above function. So you must have to use this function. So this is how this spin will work. So you must have to use this code to your project, and you will configure this code into your project. So I will share this whole code in my video description. So you can also download this whole code from this source code. So you will get this code, and if you have any difficulty while configure this code into your project, then please write it down your comment in comment section. I will try to resolve your problem, and I hope you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.